try to deliver our utmost quality products and best service. We take great care in manufacture our products to make sure your highest satisfaction. We mostly do in-house manufacturing so that we can increase our product quality and durability. At our warehouse we manufacture handmade furniture which takes a lot of craftsmanship, time, and efforts to make a final product. We have large range in architectural products like old doors, South Indian antique doors, Gujarati and South Indian columns, windows, arch, brackets, only antique panels, etc. We mostly do in-house manufacturing of cabinets, almirahs, bookshelves, sideboards, plasma, consoles, dining and coffee tables, wooden boxes, mirror frames, wall panels, screens. We do all kind of finishes like natural, whitewash, bleached. At Prachin Art Gallery we follow the complete rustic and vintage style. The rustic reclaimed furniture style has the power to bring history back to life and make it look amazing in today's life. We try to illustrate some impression of immense inventory available at our warehouse. Product is vintage, handmade, and one-of-a-kind product. We can't make similar product in bulk because all products are manufactured from old doors, panels, blocks, columns, and by other old salvage pieces. So each and every product has different carving and color shades. Like this video, you can check our products on our website www.prachinartgallery.com. If you have any query then please feel free to contact us on 9829055470 or you can mail us at cousinartexports@gmail.com.